Just now saw a guy we know that works with a barangay. He's wearing an orange vest, says seafront, and they got other ones working the highway. But on that seafront, they're making sure nobody comes in on a boat that's not from around here, and as well, nobody's supposed to be in the water. Yeah, I still see people getting in the water, but they're not supposed to be, and they're supposed to be patrolling for that and report it. And of course, if there's a violation and the captain don't do nothing, now the president says the captain can go to jail, or for the police to arrest the captain for knowingly allowing those things to happen. But I just, the beachfront, you know, right there, our beach. If you wonder why you haven't really been seeing me at the beach, that's why. And it's not all over the whole Philippines right now. I'm not talking about Philippines in general. We are now moved up to a higher level. I just hope that our tests come back good and we get on that flight, and I'm ready to go to Texas for a while. Just telling the truth. I am telling the truth. Some of you are saying I can't wait to get into the Philippines, and I'm saying it's been great here, but I'm ready to go back home for a while. Yeah, I'm ready to see Tejas. Oh, you're not in uniform? You're not in uniform? It's your casual day? It's your casual day? I need if it starts turning red here, I know your nose is bleeding. What? If you get 2 red dots right here. Why do I have? No, I'm talking about nosebleed from speaking English. No. You're so silly. Do I have permission for this one? Yeah, do I have permission? For that one? Yeah. Do I have permission to shove this in your face?
Oh my God, James! You got that one!
Give me 5 pieces.
I will just give you, or you will buy something like this.
Okay. Smart Alec. Okay, let me buy 5 pieces from you of this, and 5 elbows also. Yeah, 5 elbows, and then in the 1/2, I need 5 pieces of 1/2 also.
5 of this one, and also 1/2 5 pieces.
5 and 5. Everything 5. 5, 5, 5.
You're
Trying to make it easy on you.
Why? What else?
That is it. So it's your casual day. Everybody don't have to wear your Nulada's uniform on Sunday.
It's free day.
It's your free day.
Free to wear anything.
Then I don't know who's the employees here. I'm confused. Well, they're getting that form up on the very top. It's going to make the top match this bottom right here. It's just going to be a little smaller in its depth, but they are getting it there. That's what I was asking them to get done first. That's going to be the most important thing to be in place in order for us to pour concrete in the morning. I'm going to go climb around up in there where they're at that top. Just go ahead and get this back side on, then we'll make that piece at the last and put underneath. It is pouring down rain now. Hey, they didn't have enough of that 1-inch PVC when I went. That's why I only ended up with 2. Maybe tomorrow we'll have to go back. You finish it, so you didn't need it? Okay, good. It is pouring down rain out there right now.
lagi sugo, itong ligad, nataguan pa yun.
Mura dyan sabit sa biyak ko biyaw.
Ah?
Mura to lagi sabit sa papan-papan ko nga ano.
Lagi nung wala akong tigal, nasa tiyo na.
Dito ko sabit. Ito nga, bako dito ko to.
Wow! Nice. Fresh coconut milk right here. Isn't that nice? Man. It's too good. How many of you remember the second floor, the part that's our house, beginning right here? Right here with this center post, this column. Some good memories. Good memories. For me, I can remember how everything went on every section as we poured it. The mistakes that was made, the things that had to be corrected, the things that went great and perfect. You know, like that old Clint Eastwood movie, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Yeah, the good, the bad, and the ugly. Well, it feels weird that we're gonna be building all of this home, getting it all to this state, ready to finish out, and then just flying away from it. But I have responsibilities. This isn't my, per se, necessarily retirement home yet. I'm building it as a secondary place and as a home for retirement, but I'm still an earner. I'm still running rent houses. I'm still running cattle and a farming operation, ranch operation. So I'm not in a state that I'm just gonna set on my rear end just yet, you know. Probably never just set on my rear end. But I have responsibilities back in the US. I am slowly, every year, every 2 years, dwindling them down. Plan on doing that again this trip. But that means this journey will continue on when we come back. And I hope that you all continue to be with us, not just for this build, but for all the things that we do in this multicultural life that we live between 2 different countries, 2 different ages, you know, multicultural life. And that's what is part of the uniqueness of this channel. We're going from a beach life in the Philippines on one side of the world to a ranch life in Texas on the other side of the world. And the amazing Filipinos that we meet there in Texas as well, and from other states in the United States, And everywhere we go and travel, Filipinos have circumvented this globe and have plugged themselves in to society everywhere, and usually in a positive manner. And kudos for you for that. You know, kudos for that. You usually do something very positive wherever you go. You're gonna take one of these door bucks upstairs that's gonna go in that little water room. He's gonna cut it down shorter. I think we agreed on something like 70 inches or something like that. Because that's gonna be a short little room in there. 75-inch ceiling on it. All right, put your end down too, Lee. Put your end down. I'm gonna stand them back up. I'll come back this way. This way. This way.
Okay. Standing.
This one's wider and it's heavier. You're gonna sit down and take another break. These things are not easy. Okay. Come on inside right here.
Down, down.
Yeah, go down a little bit. There you go.
Down. Where's the bottom rock?
On your end. Yeah, the bottom's your end.
Okay. Right,
No, don't slide it. You might break something. You got to pick up. No, lift a little bit, Tilly. Yeah. There you go. Now rock it up. Hey, don't pull on the screen. Yeah.
Okay.
No more of the big ones right now because you'll be too tired. But maybe the windows, and they're not so heavy. Just take your time. Don't get too hurried. Don't break it. Let's see. That window is for... That window goes in that bedroom at the back there. Yeah. So nice up those columns like that, boy. It's nice, tall, Capitol building looking columns. Outstanding house, man. I just love it. It is so cool. It is a fortress. Y'all said it right in your comments. Said your house is a fortress. You know what? It is. It really is. I mean, let's look at the size of these columns right here. There's my hand. You know, if you want to get a little dimension of that, there's my hand. Yeah, that is pretty amazing. Let's hope that strap don't break. If it breaks, it's gonna break the window. Early morning pour. That's what we're shooting for. I got them doing some parapet wall forming right now, but honestly, every little bit I want to try to get another door up, another window up. All these things, not all in one day, but we took some up the other day. Now I want to take some again today. Tomorrow's gonna be a pour day. I don't want to do that to them tomorrow. They're already gonna be tired. Huh? Right here in this room? Yeah.
Okay.
Scoot it up better there. There you go. A little more. A little more.
Okay.
Man, Tuline's got clothes everywhere. Everywhere. That man can never go naked because all he has to do is look at a tree somewhere and there's his clothes hanging.
Like a snake, bro.
Everywhere.
Like a window, tonight is tomorrow. Naglago ka ulit mo. Sige, may kaya mong malaw. Naman dyan, nabala ka.
All right. Thank you, thank you. The most famous belly and butt crack on YouTube. Always see the belly and the butt crack.